Hello everyone, I'm Brighty. Welcome to the Girlglow DIY channel. Today I'm going to show a tutorial on how to make this diamond bracelet. The gemstone we'll use is cubic zirconia. Zirconia, also called CZ, is hands down the ultimate diamond alternative. It has got the sparkle, the shine, and the glam of a real diamond, but without the jaw-dropping price tag. It's a DIY lover's best choice. Affordable enough to experiment with bold designs, durable enough for daily wear, and comes in every size or color imaginable. I will break down the process in as much detail as possible, but if you still have any questions, directly leave a comment to let me know. I also want to know how you feel about this design. Any advice is welcome, so we could optimize this channel together. Alright, let's begin the tutorial. Before we start the beading, we need to gather all the materials for this bracelet. 4mm round gold cubic zirconia in silver claw base, 4x8 marquise-shaped gold cubic zirconia in silver base, 2.5mm gold plated spacer beads, and a CZ round spacer bead, 2 pieces of position stopper beads, 1 gold clasp set, 5mm garnet red CZ in silver, to 3 or 0.38mm jewelry wire. I also linked all the materials on the screen and in the description of this video. Go ahead if you want to customize your own luxury with us. First, we need to cut about 50 centimeters of wire. If you're unsure about the length, you can wrap the wire around your wrist to test. The doubled up wire should be roughly twice the length of your wrist. Once the wire is ready, thread one end through one side of the clasp. Align the ends of the wire and bring them together. Then add 1 stopper bead. After threading the stopper bead, pull it down to the bottom as close to the clasp as possible and tighten. Next, use flat nose pliers to press down the small bump on the stopper bead. This step requires some force. This type of stopper bead is more aesthetically pleasing, simpler to use, and provides the best securing effect. It is our most recommended stopper bead. Okay, after completing this part, we can start beading. First, separate the 2-strand wire, then add 1 4mm gold round CZ to each strand. Note, we're using a 6-prong round CZ with 6 holes. For the left wire, insert the wire from the bottom right hole of the CZ, skip 1 hole and exit through the 3rd hole up on the right side. For the right side, just mirror the left. Insert the wire from the bottom left hole of the CZ, skip 1 hole and exit through the 3rd hole up on the left side. Then add 1 2.5mm spacer bead to 1 wire. Thread the other wire through the opposite end of the spacer bead. Cross the wires and pull them tight. We are now creating the butterfly's hind wing. The purpose of this cross-threaded spacer bead is to stabilize the shape. If it's too loose, the butterfly shape won't form properly. Next, we will add 1 4x8mm marquise CZ to each wire for the butterfly's forewings. For the left wire, insert from the bottom right hole of the marquise. For the right wire, mirror the left. Insert from the bottom left hole of the marquise. Cross both wires through another spacer bead and pull tight to fix the wing shape. See? Now we have a sparkling gold butterfly. The gold spacer bead acts as the butterfly's head, while the marquise and the round CZs form the forewings and hind wings. Next, add 1 spacer bead to each wire, then thread both wires through 1 5mm garnet red round CZ. Insert the wire through the 2 bottom holes of the CZ. Skip 1 hole and exit. Slide the bead down to create a butterfly facing the sun design. Add 1 spacer bead to each one, then cross through another spacer bead. Pull tight to secure. Okay, now we've completed the first butterfly and sunset. The number of sets depends on your wrist size. I need to make 3 more sets for my wrist. Let's continue with the second set. Many viewers have asked not to fast forward through repetitive steps, so I won't skip ahead. If you want to skip, jump to the next section. After adding the fourth butterfly and red CZ, add one 2.5mm spacer bead to each wire. Then add in this 12x12 CZ spacer bead. Thread both wires through the two bottom holes. Skip 3 holes and exit through the opposite holes. Since the next 4 butterflies will mirror the previous 4, we will start with the red CZ, then add the forewings first, and then finish with the hind wings. After adding one 2.5mm spacer bead to each wire, add one red round CZ. Separate the wires, add one spacer bead to each. Then cross both wires through another spacer bead and pull tight. Next, add one marquise CZ to each wire. For the left wire, insert from the top right hole of the marquise. Right wire, insert from the top left hole. Cross through a spacer bead and pull tight. Then, add one gold round CZ to each wire for the hind wings, cross through another spacer bead to secure. This completes our first mirrored butterfly set. Repeat this 3 more times. After the fourth set is done, combine both wires and add another stopper bead. Thread through the other end of the clasp. Finally, thread both wires back through the stopper bead. Pull tight and press down the stopper bead's bump with flat nose pliers. Hide the wire ends inside nearby bead and trim. The bracelet is now complete. Super simple, right? Let's try it on. The clasp might feel tight if you have thin nails like me. Use scissors to gently pry it open. When worn, the large ZZ spacer bead should sit centered on the back of your wrist. Okay, the tutorial is complete. Did everyone learn it? If you want to customize your bracelet, click the shopping link on the screen or in the description to choose your favorite color of CZ. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful. See you next video. Bye.